Information resources refer to the available data, technology, people and processes available to perform business processes and tasks. It can be either asset or capabilities. In this 21st century, information resources are widely used across the globe. Starbucks is no exception. Starbucks, the well-known US coffee company and coffee house chain. It was founded in Seattle in 1971. There are more than 25,000 cafes around the world. Starbucks has grown into something more than just a household name. From its amazing coffee to the iconic cups that often adorned with misspelled names, Starbucks has expanded from one coffee bean shop to a successful business today. So, let us see how Starbucks uses its information resources.
In terms of IT capabilities, we have to recall back to the starting of a different type of transformation by hiring the first CTO, Jerry Martin. She and her team have developed a common language and description for technology capabilities. And she has renamed IT as Starbucks Technology rather than Starbucks IT. This section may appear inconsequential, but in a broader scheme of things, it has established a totally different tone for an organization. Upon joining Starbucks in 2015, Jerry led Starbucks Technology through a transformation into a best-in-class retail technology organization. Her Starbucks Technology teams are well known for their thought leadership, deep partnership with business teams, inspired use of emerging technologies such as AI, blockchain, AR/VR, and IoT automation. Her globally respected team of technologies develops and enables industry-leading innovation, including mobile order and pay, voice ordering, and social gifting. Her leadership helped establish a world-class data and analytics platform, enabling one of the first large-scale machine learning and personalization systems, Deep Brew.
So what just happened here is we're actually using our Deep Brew AI platform to be able to suggest optimal product pairings based off of contextual information of the store, the weather, and other things that are going on.
To IT assets of Starbucks, Starbucks is strong enough to be known as a technology company. So forget about coffee. So in terms of the IS infrastructure, the manufacturing process speaks it all. From processing the raw materials until roast and packing the final coffees, we need the help of hardware machines after all. So next year, Starbucks is going to transform, innovate, and combine the existing technology assets that we have to come out with an amazing machine equipped with sensors that could identify the coffee bean sizes, qualities, the grades. So customers are the most important aspect in Starbucks. So we collect those logical informations, big data of our customers across the network. That is so-called information repository. So maybe you would ask, what's the reason a coffee company would do this? As you all know, Starbucks is no longer a company which is just pure selling hot and cold drinks. We use data, IoT, the Internet of Things, AI to gain our own competitive advantage. We target customers with their personalized promotions and offers by knowing their preference through data. When the data is captured, we can keep on revising whenever we want. So this is what we do. We embrace things through technologies to create a value that customers would adore.
Let us hear from the Starbucks customer about why Starbucks is attractive to the young people.
For me, I think the main reason is that Starbucks 25% of 20. It makes us feel like, wow, we are noble and we are more standard than others. So it makes us feel like good. Then their service attitude makes us feel that we are privileged, and they are very kind in recommending and writing mentions on the drink that we buy, like have a nice day, good luck, or something else. It makes us feel like, wow, it's really somebody care about us. Then when we are working or reading in the Starbucks, we can hear the sound of the coffee machines and smell the coffee, which makes us feel relaxed, comfortable, and at ease. Then I think the best part is that we can enjoy all these perks for just one coffee and get the free Wi-Fi for only just one person use. So in general, Starbucks will make us feel like it try to meet all the needs of customer, which is why so many young people like to visit Starbucks. Of course, including me, because the service, environment, and quality makes me feel like it work well and make for a great day out. So it will make me feel like why not just buy and drink because I deserve it. Yeah.
Therefore, Starbucks has adapted to the demands of the world through its strong technological backbone and is targeted on bringing about a brighter future. With the right use of all these information resources, Starbucks will continue to be profitable and attractive in the industry.